Ever wondered how NRIs use UPI for seamless transactions? Here's a quick look at what makes UPI a must-have for NRIs. Instant transfers. Send money to India instantly, anytime. No waiting, no delays. Easy navigation. UPI apps are simple to use. Perfect for tech-savvy NRIs. Greater flexibility. Link multiple bank accounts. Manage all your accounts in one place. Setting up UPI as an NRI? Follow these easy steps. Step 1. Download the app. Step 2. Register your account. Step 3. Create a UPI ID. Step 4. Complete KYC. Benefits of using UPI apps for NRIs. Why should NRIs choose UPI for transactions? Low fees. 24/7 availability. Secure transactions. Convenient bill payments. Explore the power of UPI for hassle-free transactions. Follow WealthMunshi for more insights on digital finance.